Sunday, 4:49 p.m. The date is, can't tell you, my watch is saying 22 steps left to go. Let me go for a little ride. October something if you're worried, or October 12th. Yeah, Project Harleys are still ripped apart. That one is right there, waiting on parts. One over there, waiting on some parts. This one here, didn't even look at it, to be honest with you. I'll get to it, but you know, kind of waiting for my son to be motivated too, because he wanted to get him running with me for like a father-son project, but if he blows me off for too long, I'll just probably do it myself. He did a bunch of work on one day, taking it apart and changed the battery and the ignition switch. Took the fuel tank and seat off. To the gas station. Situation someone's not going to see me and take me out. That's the only disadvantage of not being in traffic. People sometimes don't see you. You know, if I'm riding next to a pickup truck, they're not going to pull out. They see the pickup. But riding on your own on a motorcycle, who knows? Reserve or out of gas, but here I'm getting close. Might as well grab some. Alright, all filled up, ready to go. Let's see what we got here. Somebody watching there doesn't mind doing a little little math. Would you please Divide 117.6 by 3.1. We'll see what our mileage is. That tank was probably just under 40 miles per gallon, 30 something, maybe high, 36, 7, or 8. I guess if you're watching this video and you're not the first one watching, maybe you can just look in the comments, see what my mileage was. I know I'm going to. Dog broke his leash, little tiny dog, still somehow managed to break it, so I'm going to see if I can grab one. I'm going to also stop off at the gym. driving along doing math in my head, but you know, if we dropped off the 1 and just divided the 117 by 3, that'd be 39 miles per gallon. But since there's a 0.1 on there, miles per gallon is going to be 38 point something. checking it with a calculator, see how close I am. Even though I know I'm right. Maybe I'll grab a dollar store collar for my dog, if they have one, before I go to the gym. Talk to you later. Hey guys, I'm back. I know you're probably thinking already, you know, it's only been a couple seconds for you, but for me, it's been at least an hour and a half, maybe even longer. Didn't get too crazy with the workout today, just kind of walked on the treadmill for an hour, and what else did I do? Got a massage in the massage chair. It's always nice to do something like that once in a while. Some nice ones for medium and large dogs, but the small dog ones, scrawny, little skinny, little belts. But I guess that's all they need, right? And it is the dollar store. Not like I should expect the heaviest duty, best dog collar ever. Weather's pretty nice as usual. We're not in the 80s anymore, now it's in the 70s, but feels a little cooler, but it's still warm enough to skip the jacket, at least for now. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll have a hoodie on. Setting in another half hour or so. Tell you what, the day goes by fast when you're retired. budget, saving money, and real estate investing, investing in the stock market, getting out of debt, paying off student loans, stuff like that. If that's something you're interested, feel free to click on that link at Amazon and check them out. Other than that, like the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And it'll keep me going. I'll keep posting. As long as people are watching, I'll keep posting them. Talk to you later.